Dave's Rolling Springs Ranch. So we're going to take a trip. We're going to take a trip down to the stream. Last week when we were working on the fence, we had noticed we heard rushing water. And after looking around, we found that the creek bed is actually going underneath the surface. And if you look down there, and actually now I'm going to go back to the house and grab the spotlight, there's a sinkhole about 20 foot deep, and it is opening up as we speak. So we're going to go down there, see if we can't get some pictures, document it, and shine the flashlight down there. So stand by. So we just got down to the creek bed, and so I just got down to the creek bed. You can see, yeah, we got a nice little stream going here. And then as we approach that area, you can see that the water stops. And that part of the creek bed is dry. So when John was here the other day, he heard sounds, and you can see that this land mass right here is sinking. Now, if you look, and actually it's bigger today, that goes about 15-20 feet down there, and that's where that water is dumping into. So that explains, we had this was filled with water at one time, and we had dammed it off, to try to bring the water level up, from the stream, a couple points of water. And so we came back the next day and it was dry, so the water had gone someplace. Well, in the past couple days, this has definitely opened up, and I can imagine if we get some more rain. Now, the water down there, I can't even zoom in, is rushing pretty good. So if this opens up, and this whole landmass, that can get pretty dangerous. So I'm not going to walk on it, but the cows have definitely been walking up and down, and they are. Oh, and speaking of cows, here they come. So I don't need them in this area walking over here and then down, because what's going to happen, one of them's going to get caught up in here, and then that's going to be a big ordeal. So just wanted to share with you guys what it kind of looks like. I wish I can get down there. I got the flashlight on down there, and it is that's some pretty clear water. So anyway, if anything changes or the ground sinks in and creates a bigger hole, I'll keep you all posted. But for now, the object is keeping the cows out. Now they heard me, and now they're kind of curious. So anyways, Dave, Rolling Springs Ranch, keep you posted on the sinkhole. What's everybody doing over here? Everybody's sniffing out what I got. They're looking for a cracker. Hey there, Hankaroony. And you got Big Bo over there. You got Honeybee. Hey, 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 enough. This thing already breaks. And you got old Chuckster.